Shorthand English elaboration. Question number 1. The General Manager, Karnataka State Small Industries Development Corporation Limited, invites sealed tenders from intending buyers for purchase of various iron and steel raw materials on as is where is basis at Sitara Steel Stock Yard, Bangalore. Tender forms can be obtained from the corporation unit on payment of rupees 100 at Rajaji Nagar Industrial Estate, Bangalore. Last date for submission of tender 31st July 1998 by 2 p.m. and will be open on the next day. Tenders to be subscribed. Tenders for purchases of iron and steel raw materials. Accepted tenderers to deposit an amount of rupees 10 lakhs. Authority reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without assigning any reason. Prepare tender notice as signed by General Manager. Question number 2. Secretary, Shorthand Writers Association of Karnataka, Bangalore, complained that typists, stenographers working in government and semi-government departments not being permitted to work as examiners in the commerce examinations conducted by the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, Bangalore. He also brought to the notice that some of the heads of departments, particularly public undertakings, are not treating the absence of the typist stenographers who work as examiners, though specific instructions issued from time to time to all the concerned to dispute typist stenographers on official duty as examiners, same not being adhered to. Commissioner for Education directs all the heads of departments in government, semi-government and public sector undertakings to permit typist stenographers to work as examiners whenever their services required by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board and treat their absence period as an official duty without detriment to the routine work of their officers. Prepare circular. Question number 3. Sri Rama Engineers, Hennur Road, Bangalore, had released a full-page advertisement in the souvenir brought out by the Satyasai Seva Samiti, Bhadravati. Prepare a letter for the signature of the General Secretary of the Association, thanking Sri Rama Engineers for their kind gesture, enclosing bill for rupees 5,000 towards cost of advertisement and voucher copy of the souvenir and requesting them for arranging early payment. Also add that it was only through the help of such industrial houses in Karnataka the Samiti had been able to provide free education and medical facilities to the slum dwellers of Coolie Block area, New Colony, Bhadravati, and that they look forward to their continued support in their future programs. Question number 4. A candidate having high first-class graduation in computer science engineering with 2 years working experience in National Information Center, New Delhi, wishes to apply for a suitable job in the Karnataka Power Corporation Limited, Shakti Bhavan, Racecourse Road, Bangalore. Candidate states he is familiar with the LAN and WAN environments. He is also familiar with VSAT establishment and maintenance, presently drawing a salary of 15,000. He wishes to change the job and move to Bangalore for private reasons like looking after his aged parents and join his spouse having married recently and working in Bangalore, adds is fit for working in Computer Services Department of the corporation. He states he will be happy if his present salary is protected and is ready to join if appointed. Prepare an application to Managing Director. Question number 5. Prepare a government order issued by the Special Secretary, Public Service D Department, Government of Kerala, GOMS number 375/96/PD, dated Tirunelveli, 7th October 2006. Abstract: Public Services Incentive Allowance to English Typist in Service on acquiring qualification in Malayalam typewriting. Orders issued. Red GOMS number 2006. Abstract: Public Services Incentive Allowance to English Typist in Service on acquiring qualification in Malayalam typewriting. Orders issued. Red GOMS number 47/67/PD, dated 2nd February 2003. Order in partial modification of the orders issued in the government order read above. Government are pleased to order that all English typists in service who either acquire qualification of Malayalam typewriting KGTE lower or have acquired the qualification before their entry into service will be given an incentive award of ₹75 per mensum for a period of 3 years, provided they were recruited at a time when a pass in Malayalam typewriting was not a compulsory qualification for appointment as English typist. And the orders in para first above will have effect only from the date of this order.